Hi everyone, it's Julia. So I'm just going to show you the rest of my drawing of this bunny rabbit, a squirrel, and this nice nature park that I'm at. I'm just looking at the Canada geese, and they're also just looking at the lakes here. Yeah, it's really nice, and I'm kind of just like continuing this drawing with this scenery in mind, and I'm just drawing whatever I think that's going to fit well into the picture I have in mind for this video. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I've got my pencil and I've got my pen as well to add more details to this drawing. And then I've got my Arrtx acrylic markers to finish coloring in the rest of this drawing I've got here. And for the overall picture I had in mind for drawing. And yeah, so I'm just adding more details with the art supplies I've got here, and I'm just kind of just like adding a bit more color in different spots that I think will help finish the rest of the details to this bunny rabbit. Now, one of my favorite drawing procedures is when I'm just coloring in the certain details to a certain drawn animal or original idea I had in mind. I really like fading or like blending the colors I have like with my art supplies. Whether that be with markers or pencils or like just like different, like maybe like colored pencils. I'm open to a lot of, yeah, so that's one of my highlighted interests I have for my pursuit in art. And yeah, so that's what I've got. I just like blending the colors, and I find it really enjoyable to color in my drawings as well. And yeah, so that's what I've got now. For this part, I'm just adding some more flowers and just right by the bunny. And yeah, so I just want to add more scenery and to add more details as well. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So that's how it looks, and so far I'm just redoing a few different flowers just to add more realistic details as well. Yeah, so that's what I've got going here. So for the flowers I am coloring, I am just also kind of just using my own art style as well as I'm coloring and drawing, and so that's kind of what I'm doing, realistic in my own art style type of way as well. So like if I have a certain drawing idea in mind, I may have like my own interpretation of what type of creative portrayal I want to make out of that idea. yeah, I really like how this is going so far for my drawing of this nature park and for the animals and plants that I chose to draw. This is my drawing so far. Here is a close-up view of my rabbit drawing. Now, here are my art time-lapse clips. Hope you enjoy. Also, remember to subscribe. Thank you. Well, that's it for the artist vlog. Here's the drawing. I hope you all enjoyed the second last part of my nature artist vlog. Watch part 1 if you haven't yet. Thank you. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.